All right, let's talk about something that's quietly reshaping how robotics deals get made. When industrial buyers need a new robot or automation system, most of them don't Google it anymore. They ask AI, and here's the thing: if you're not showing up in those AI responses, you don't exist to that buyer. They never reach your website, they never see your specs. The decision has already started without you. Zen Media ran 1,000 buyer-style prompts across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity, analyzing 92 robotics companies. What they found was a serious concentration problem that most vendors have no idea about. 4 OEMs, FANUC, ABB, KUKA, and Yaskawa capture roughly 60% of all AI visibility when buyers ask about factory automation. The next 6 vendors share about 10%. The remaining 82 companies fight over 30%. Here's how buyers are querying AI. 40% are direct purchase intent, 25% are comparison queries, 20% are spec driven, and 5% are just learning. Your content was built for Google, but the buying journey has already moved. There are 3 visibility tiers in AI right now. The default set, the big 4 who show up everywhere. Segment specialists like Universal Robots or Cognex, consistent but narrow, and the long tail, everyone else, appearing only with very specific prompt wording. Why do the big names dominate? AI systems favor verified, multi-sourced evidence. FANUC and ABB have decades of documentation, integrator networks, university partnerships, and trade publications. AI trusts what the entire industry has already cited. That's a structural advantage. And here's what makes this hard. It's not that you don't have enough content. Most mid-market robotics companies have plenty. The problem is your content answers spec questions. Buyers are asking AI buying questions. Completely different thing. Step 1 is establishing your baseline. Test 25 to 50 buyer-style queries across the major AI platforms. Track where you appear, what descriptors AI uses for you, and where your competitors are positioned. You cannot improve what you don't measure first. Step 2 is rebuilding content around buyer priorities. Shift from technical specs to integration guides, total cost of ownership models, compliance explainers, and outcome-driven case studies. Answer the questions buyers actually ask AI, not the questions your engineers want to answer. Step 3 is third-party citations. AI doesn't trust what you say about yourself. It trusts what integrators, trade publications, analyst reports, and technical communities say about you. Get your results published where both buyers and machines look for answers. Step 4 is creating what we call AI notices, structured content pieces that directly address buyer questions and market trends, not company announcements. Built specifically to be picked up and cited when AI systems answer relevant queries from your buyers. Step 5 is quarterly measurement. Track your AI visibility every 90 days and correlate shifts to specific content and PR actions. This is how you know what's working, where to double down, and where to stop wasting budget. This isn't just a robotics problem. The same concentration pattern is already showing up in electrical components, machine vision, and motion control. Early movers in each category are pulling ahead right now. The window is open, but it won't stay open forever. If a buyer never sees your name during their AI research phase, your competitive advantages are invisible. Your certifications, your quality, your service network, none of it matters if AI recommends someone else before the buyer even knows you exist. Companies that invest in AI visibility early create compounding returns. More AI mentions bring more awareness. More awareness brings more inquiries. More inquiries generate customer stories. And customer stories feed back into the citation infrastructure that AI systems trust most. So, what does AI actually reward? Verified evidence from multiple independent sources, content aligned with how buyers frame decisions, and a presence across the channels AI treats as authoritative. Trade press, academic work, and documented customer outcomes. Your buyers are already using AI. The question is whether they're finding you or finding your competitors. Run a visibility audit. Build the right content. Earn the right citations. Measure the results. The robotics companies that win this decade are building that foundation right now. Get visible before AI starts the conversation. Run your free audit now and stay ahead of your competitors.